This is a brief tutorial on how to set up and use TimeStation. It's a mobile app for tracking time while on the job. Once your supervisor has set you up in TimeStation, you should receive an email with instructions on how to set up your own personal TimeStation account. Check your email for an email from TimeStation. This email has a link that will direct you to set up a new account. Click on the link. This will take you to TimeStation. Our email address has already been entered for us, so we're going to create a password. Confirm that password, and passwords are case sensitive. Click the reset password button and you get a message saying that your account has been created. There are two ways in which you can access TimeStation: through a web browser or through the mobile app. Since you're already in the web browser, click the login button, type in your email, type in your password, and click login. And this takes us to our account homepage. Now from the account homepage you can see your recent activity on the left of the screen here. It shows your recent clock in and out times and dates and projects. And there's a few options from the homepage. You can click on activity on the top of the screen, and this will show you again account activity. You can also click on reports, which will allow you to run a few different reports for specific dates or jobs. And if we go back to the home page, one option is here you can punch in or punch out, clock in or clock out, if for some reason you don't have access to the mobile application. So we would select the job, click the punch in button, and now we've clocked into that particular job. And of course the reverse allows you to clock out just by hitting the punch out button, and we're now clocked out of that job. The second way of accessing TimeStation is through the mobile application. You can download the mobile app in the App Store. When you open the App Store, you want to do a search for TimeStation, all one word. You want to download the TimeStation app. Once it's finished, you want to open the app. Type in your email address. And enter your password. Click login. You'll get a message asking TimeStation to access your location. Click allow. And you get another message that says TimeStation is now working and has access to the Stones River Electric account. Click OK. There are two ways to clock in using the TimeStation app. You can scan a card, if you've been issued one, over the camera on your mobile device. However, more often than not, you're going to clock in using the last four digits of your telephone number. Now, once we enter the last four digits of our telephone number on the keypad, we're only going to have a few seconds to choose which job we want to clock in for. Depending on how many jobs you've worked on, you may have a number of choices, or you may only have one or two. You only have a moment to select, so be prepared to choose the correct job. If you don't choose the correct job, you can always transfer to the correct job. I'll show you an example. So we enter the last 4 digits of our telephone number, and we want to clock in for Berkeley County Schools. We'll click OK. Now, let's say we didn't mean to clock into Berkeley County Schools. We can immediately re-enter our 4-digit PIN and click the transfer button. And I've just got the word test here as an example, but we can transfer to test, assuming that's another job. And if you make a mistake and forget to clock in or forget to clock out, simply talk to your supervisor and they can make the corrections for you. So that's it. That's how you set up a TimeStation account, download the mobile app, and clock in using either a web browser or the mobile app. Thanks for watching.